Hi, I'm Chef Wade. Today we're in the Pro Pacific Test Kitchen. Today we're going to be making a K through 12 recipe with Vitamix, which is going to be a cherry fruit smoothie. Very simple to do, so we're going to get started. We've got our Vitamix Prep 3. So what we're going to do is we're going to take 10 ounces of just vanilla yogurt. We're going to add that in to our container. Just like that. Then we have 10 ounces of drained fruit cocktail. If it's in syrup or juice, it doesn't matter because you're going to drain it out anyway. So we're just going to go ahead and add that, our 10 ounces of fruit cocktail. And then we have some pitted frozen cherries. This is going to do two things. It's going to keep the drink cool, but also add a lot of really nice flavor into the smoothie. Go ahead and we'll add them. Get the one that got away. Go ahead and put our lid on. We're going to start out just ramping it up, and we're going to blend in all those nice cherries. We're going to use our tamper a little bit just to make sure it gets incorporated. Just like that, really quick. This is a great way to use items that are still on your salad bar that you're not going to get rid of. You've got some extra product left over. Now you can make a nice, refreshing smoothie for the kids. Just like that. Nice and cold, refreshing, but also very nourishing. Cheers.